Are you tired of job hunting with no results? Dreaming of working from home, a cafe, or even a beach in Bali? If you're looking for a legit remote job that pays and builds your skills, you just landed in the right place. I'm your digital sidekick, and today, I'm breaking down the one remote job that's changing lives, the virtual assistant. So, what is a virtual assistant? Listen up. You've probably heard the term virtual assistant, or VA, floating around online. But what does it actually mean? And more importantly, could it be your ticket to freedom, skill building, and straight-up earning from anywhere? A VA is someone who helps businesses remotely, handling admin, creative, or even techie tasks, all without showing up at an office. It started with basic clerical stuff, but now, you've got VAs managing real estate pipelines, editing videos, handling customer support, even building websites. Real estate, a VA books clients, sends reminders, handles follow-ups. Law firm, think transcriptions, documents, and calendars. Tech, delegating tasks saves devs time. Marketing, VAs run email campaigns, design posts, track analytics. If it can be done on a screen, a VA can do it. Why do smart businesses hire VAs? Easy cost saving, they only pay for what gets done. No office rent, no health insurance hassles, and no training costs. VAs invest in themselves to stay ahead. And here's the dopamine hit. You're your own boss. You decide when, how, and where you work. Don't want to work Mondays? Cool. Want to take a break midday for a nap or gym? Do it. This lifestyle isn't a dream, it's a decision. But hey, it's not all perfect. You gotta hustle to find clients. You manage your own time and distractions. You'll be wearing multiple hats: the assistant, the boss, the accountant, the marketer. If you're the type that wants to grow skills, escape office drama, and start earning online with just a laptop, this world's waiting for you. If this episode gave you value, like, comment and share, and hit that subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And this is the Digital Sidekick.